Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows cannot access specified device path or file. You may not have appropriate permission. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your settings of your Windows. After that go to your privacy and security. After that go to your Windows security. Go to your app browser and control. Go to your repetition protection based settings and uncheck the block apps and block downloads. Close it. Close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.